Sound the call both loud and clear, sound the call that all may hear, sound the call to praise, for the author of creation has drafted our salvation. Sound the call to praise, sing for joy with love excelling, for we've become his dwelling. Sound the call to praise, he lived and died beside us, yet now abides inside us. Sound the call to praise, sound the call to praise, celebrate with singing at the wonder of his ways. Sound the call to praise, behold the power and splendor he displays. Calling all saints everywhere, humbly unite in prayer. Sound the call to praise, obeying his command brings healing to our land. Sound the call to praise, children of God confess to the Son of righteousness. Sound the call to praise, O dull of heart awake, your secret sin forsake. Sound the call to praise.